So this Nissan Frontier decided to cut off the Tesla from a double solid line with a blind spot corner, almost colliding with two vehicles right there. But then it decided to brake check the Tesla. So this could either be a road rage or a anti-Tesla. And then also flipping off the Tesla right there. But karma caught up with this person, colliding with that Toyota Highland head on a unprotected left turn. You can see the blinking yellow, orange light, amber light there. So this person F around and found out immediately. So again, this Nissan Frontier, it looks like a 1980, decide to turn on an unprotected turn without yielding to the Toyota Highland. Big lawsuit coming to this driver. Looks like either an older female or a male. Couldn't tell from that video. Again, lesson learned here is mind your own business. Whether you have a hate for Tesla or you have road rage, control your anger because it will catch up to you. If you like this content, comment below with any questions about the incident. Catch you all next time. Remember to subscribe.